Hello, we are GoConnect, and hopefully you'll be able to join us for a series of fun workshops that we will be providing. Our workshops are not like your traditional lessons, and are run by like-minded, relaxed individuals who enjoy anime, Marvel, gaming, and D&D. And if you do too, then we are sure you would fit right in. We are providing some great team building D&D sessions, which is a great opportunity to work within a team, meet new friends, all the while being a powerful wizard or healing your teammates as a cleric so you can further your adventure. GoConnect encourages learners to build on their creative and technical skill set, from coding to the use of the Adobe programs. Recently, we ran an online board game workshop where over a number of weeks, learners were able to come up with their very own game, all the while chatting to others in a relaxed environment where we talked about what games we enjoyed playing, what series they were currently watching, and of course, showing off their creative games. We believe in generating a level playing field to give everyone access to unique and exciting opportunities to identify their aspirations and reach their full potential. If you like the sound of any aspect we have mentioned, then please get in touch, and we look forward to seeing you at our next workshop.